Hi everyone, welcome to the new DIY event app video demonstration. DIY has been a trend over decades across many countries. Various people in different parts of the world, among different age groups, are engaging in making activities for various psychological and social benefits. The existing research on DIY makerspace does not address the extent to which they are economically and environmentally sustainable. This could further influence the willingness of participants in DIY events. In our research, we discovered the concept of a dynamic makerspace. We further aim to study the influence of its financial and environmental sustainability characters in encouraging students to participate more in such a group. Here I propose a DIY event information and social connection sharing platform. Some of our interviewees expressed their expectation of meeting new friends and share common interests and environmental awareness. Therefore, DIY workshop could also be considered as a public space, attracting environmental enthusiasts. The user will be able to find DIY event information more sufficiently and meet their expectations of environmental sustainability. The persona presents the general information and characteristics of our potential user. Here's the goals and frustration points of the user. This is a typical use scenario of our user. Helen wants to make her own beeswax wrapping instead of the plastic one, so she's searching for the tutorial to make such DIY work. After gathering all the information and materials she's going to need, she went to the shop. And next, I'm not sure what is the jojoba oil is. Is that similar to the coconut oil? And also the beeswax. Oh no, it's soap. Oh, it's so difficult to buy all the materials in one day and buy the plastic one. The paper prototype has been created and be given to the user for the evaluation session. Interview has been used as the main method for the evaluation session. Here are the insights I got from the users. 2 participants have involved in the evaluation session. Based on their insights, a few changes going to be made for the next iteration. So I'm going to delete the going and collection feature for the events, and instead of that, put the book event function on the event page. Also, I'm going to minimum the DIY works sharing page to make the impact of the environmental aspect more standing out. In the second iteration, I use Figma, the digital prototyping tool, to create the prototype. The user can create a personal account to record all the DIY events. So we have 2 functions here. The user can either explore the DIY event or browse the DIY work someone has made. There are 3 ways the user can search for DIY events. They can search by the location, category, and keyword. And for each event, the user can find many detailed information on the event page: the organizer, the location, the time, and the duration. The financial costing has been listed in the material list and the tools list. The user can check them and make their own decision. And if the user are getting interested in this event, they can also like the event or directly book the event at the bottom of the page. On the DIY Works page, the user can browse other users' or communities' DIY works by saying the details on the page. Concept of the work and where they made it, the time, and also other users' comments will be showing on this page. If you really like the work, you can also comment on the page. All the information about the user has been gathering on the profile page. The user can check how many works they have made in a month and how many money they have spending in a month. Most importantly, they can check the environmental impact they have made by the DIY behavior. For the evaluation session, 2 methods has been used. The first one is the heuristic evaluation for smart home app. The second one is the think aloud. Here are the insights and suggestions from the users. According to the result from the second iterations, these changes will be made in the future. Simplify the searching function on the Explore page. Visualize the environmental impact by using diagram and metaphor such as a growing tree to show the progress. Also, a reward mechanism can also be taken in consideration for the next movement. Thank you for watching.